Hi there. My name is Chris Chimbers, and this is my partner, Denny Guyman.
How's it going, everyone?
And we run a membership site called Healers Online Workshop. We started this enterprise in June of 2016. So we're well into our third year. And what we do is we offer encouragement and support to energy healers who are looking to build a solid practice. And we do this mainly by regular webinars. We do 2 webinars every month that are live and interactive. We also invite guests sometimes to be in. So if you would like an invitation, we can arrange that for you. So the webinars are on a number of subjects. But basically, we found that the key to success is the development of the healer, the mindset of the healer herself. And we have a lot of ideas on how we can help you with that. We have covered we're up to almost 60 webinars now, and we have them all archived. So the archive is accessible to members, and as well as the new webinars. We have a secret Facebook page which you can join. We have more information on there. Some of the subjects of the webinars are on, of course, self-development, mindset, business development, and steps you can take, such as how to market your services, how to build a website, a Facebook page. We have interviews with other successful healers and other professionals from time to time. And of course, Denny is our technical man, and Denny can help with certain technical challenges you have. He's pretty good with that. Would you like to address that, Denny?
Yeah, technology is something that is so prevalent in our world today. And I know that it's a big part of a successful business as well in this world that we live in. And so if you have any questions about technical things, websites, I can definitely point you in the right direction. And we've worked with a number of individuals that can help you at multiple levels on how to put together a website or how to attract clients or how to build your business. And we're excited to work with you.
Getting help is key. Sometimes you have to just say, look, I can't learn everything myself, and relying on other people's help. We very few of us can actually make it on our own. And that's the idea of having a community like this, is we are a group of healers who are running our own businesses. We're all experienced healers to some degree. So whether you're new or already experienced, you can benefit from our community. In other words, to grow your clientele, the purpose of healing is to help others as well as making a living. And this is definitely a blessed profession that we have. And we look at it in this way, that it's a gift, and we want to share that gift and help others to get out there and to attract clients. Have a look at our website. And if you have any questions, I invite you to contact me personally. And my email address is info@heartfreedom.ca. I'd be happy to have a talk with you if you're considering becoming a member. So we all know the $19 membership. That's the standard membership, the basic. That's probably the one that you want to join at the beginning to test this out, see if we're for real. And there's 2 live webinars every month, access to the complete webinar archive, which is now up to number 76 as of tonight. We have our private Facebook page, access to our action sheet exercises, and resources and recommended books. So that's your $19 membership. This is no obligation, as you know, but it's renewable every month until you choose to not renew or change your level. Now we have a new one called Standard Membership with Mentoring. So it has the basic membership there, but also you have a monthly one-on-one mentoring session with Ruth, Denny, or myself. So that's a new option, $79. And the premium membership is all that I just mentioned, plus the mastermind meetings which follow each webinar. We do 2 webinars, new webinars every month, and we have 2 mastermind meetings which follow those webinars. And masterminds are good for, you know, interactivity, for personal asking questions, sharing successes, and so on. And it's a fantastic group. And we have also a new membership level called VIP at $165, which has all those benefits plus 2 one-on-one mentoring sessions. And we're calling that the fast track. So that one is, again, brand new, $165 VIP membership. And all of these can be changed as you go along. If you want to move up or down, it's entirely up to you.